Today, let's try something different with rice. This flavorsome aromatic rice dish is very easy to make and delicious in taste. This pulao is also known as rice pilaf. It's comfort food at its best. I like to make this recipe when I want to cook something special though satisfying and easy on go. This easy one-pot mildly flavored and fragrant dish is bursting with deliciously spiced rice and nuts and is great on its own. Hello and welcome back to Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's begin today's recipe and check the ingredients. And the ingredients are raisin, cashew, some whole spices, cinnamon stick, green cardamom and clove, ginger garlic paste, homemade garam masala powder, our jaffran, salt, sugar. With that, thinly sliced onion, milk, and basmati long grain rice. You can take any basmati rice, though it should be a long grain. First of all, take the rice and place it on a bowl and add normal water and wash it thoroughly for 2 to 3 times or unless the water turns clear. After washing it properly, then add 1 cup of water and soak it for half an hour before cooking. On the other hand, take few strings of kesar. Into it add 2 tablespoons of warm milk and cover and keep on the other side for the next part of the recipe. Now take a pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of refined oil. Into it add 50 grams of cashew and kishmish. Fry it in a medium high flame, then remove it from the pan and keep aside for the last part of the recipe. Finally, once you remove all this dry fruit from the pan, into that same oil, add 1 medium onion cut into thin slices and add little salt and fry it until the onion turns golden and crunchy in a medium high flame. Though this process will take around 5 to 8 minutes, and you need to keep on stirring in between or else the onion will burn from below and from above it will be soft. Next, you will see the color has changed, it has turned crispy. Again, remove this one also from the pan and keep on the other side. Now onto that same pan, add 3 bay leaves and another 1 medium onion cut into thin slices. In this recipe, you need 2 onion thinly sliced. After that, fry this onion in a medium high flame until it changes its color to translucent. You can see here, no need to fry for the longer time this onion. Next, add 1 cinnamon stick, 2 green cardamom, 3 to 4 cloves and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Again, stir it well and cook in a medium high flame until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. Once you're done with the stirring and the raw smell goes away, at this point of time you need to add the soaked rice. But before adding the rice, you need to remove the entire water and then add. After that, stir it well from all the sides and then add 2 cups of water. While over here, you have to know that the cup should be the same, the one you have used to measure the rice. In this recipe, the proportion of the rice and water is 1 cup rice is to 2.5 cup of water. Over here, I will use 2 cup of water and half cup of milk. If you don't want to add milk, you can also ignore milk and add normal half cup of water. Now let it cook for 5 to 8 minutes or until the 80% of the rice is done in a medium high flame. Now you can see 80% of the water has evaporated. At this point, you need to add salt as per your taste and 1.5 teaspoon of sugar. Then add half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Now cover and cook in a very low flame till the entire water gets evaporated. However, the recipe which I am sharing with you today is my absolute favorite, and if you try it once, it will be your favorite too. Now, remove the lid and check the rice. You can see from here it is still looking very sticky, but don't worry. After adding 50 grams of fried cashew and kishmish, then add the jaffran water from above, then sprinkle some fried onion, and then switch off the flame cover and give a standing time for 10 to 15 minutes so that the rice become fluffy and it doesn't stick with each other. If you don't give the standing time for 10 to 15 minutes, it will be sticky or become mushy. So now let's wait for 10 to 15 minutes before serving it up. Wow, you can see from this video all the rice are separated from each other. It's looking marvelous. Let us serve in a serving plate. After serving in a serving plate, garnish it with some more fried cashew and raisin. Then sprinkle the entire fried onion from above and then serve it with roasted chicken, chicken tandoori, mutton, or any veg item of your choice. And if you think this pulao is something different from the rest, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon. So whenever I upload new recipes, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking. See you again with another new episode of Cooking Story. Till then, enjoy!